3 signs that your relationship is toxic. At first, all relationships are full of beautiful moments, but over time things can change. And it is that you will know more about your partner and you will discover his true personality, which can be toxic and cause emotional damage to you. To help you find out if that is your case, then we give you 3 signs that prove it. But before we continue with the video, let me remind you to click on the top right of this video, and download my free ebooks and take a look at my offers reviews. So, let's go on with this video. 1. He's very jealous. It is normal for people to feel jealous of their partner, but when they are too exaggerated and unhealthy can make the relationship harmful for the other person. 2. Make you feel inferior. If your partner does not let you talk when talking to friends or does not encourage you when you tell him that you want to make a dream come true, it is best to say goodbye to that person. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video and download my free ebooks and take a look at my offers reviews. 3. Is violent. Violence is not only related to beatings because it can also be verbal. That is, if your partner insults you and shouts at anything is a clear signal that at any moment things can get worse. Let us know your opinions in the comments section below. Source: http://baru.com. To learn more about 3 signs that your relationship is toxic, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the image at the end of this video or the link in the description below.